Welcome to TRS Clips, where you'll find happiness through your own curiosity. So we have some old photos. Just want you to give an honest insight on these.
This is, I think, one of the first matches of KKR in the first season of IPL. And we'd all gone together. This was in Kolkata at the Eden Gardens.
Who are you at this point?
Who are we playing? I don't understand. I mean, I say we because I still support KKR only. I can't remember who we were playing.
How was this phase of your life?
Happy
Yeah.
phase. Very good phase.
Kids were young. You had a
Yeah.
strong friend group around you.
We were like riding the wave.
Did the three guys here elevate each other?
I think so. We learned a lot from each other. Gave each other a lot.
There was a professional brotherhood. Everyone's rising together.
I mean, wasn't like that really. No, it wasn't just about work. There was something more to it. There was a lot of love, respect, caring, and there was a good friendship there.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay, next photo. Who are you? This is Rendezvous with Simi Garewal, I think.
Yeah. Rendezvous with Simi Garewal. I think one of my first interviews that I'd kind of done. And
Honestly, you're a splendid looking guy, but you're even better looking now.
I don't know. I'm a little boy there. Yeah. I think Meher and I just started dating at this point in time. It's initial years of our relationship.
How was your headspace here?
I was very happy. Again, you can see it in that smile. I'm happy. I was really cracking up because Simi asked me a question on this show I'll never forget. And I just told her before because Meher and I had just started seeing each other. And I said, please let's not talk about relationships and, all of that and everything. So she goes, no, of course, Arjun, of course, no problem. And the first question was like, so, do I hear wedding bells ringing? And I was like, congratulations, Simi, you're getting married? And she'll never forget that.
Fame also would have been so different in this pre-social media era. So elusive. Being on the Simi Garewal show and all must have been something crazy.
Yeah.
I've heard an urban legend that you worked as a waiter in a nightclub. Is that true?
Not in a nightclub, in New York.
Okay.
In a restaurant.
Okay. This
This is the Ravan body. Yeah. And this was a shoot I was doing for this perfume ad that I had launched. It was called Alive. And Dabboot shot this. Yeah.
What's the feeling of holding this physique on your human body? How do you feel?
Oh, it felt great till I had it. It's difficult to maintain, and especially when you like food the way I do. But it was a tough one. It was a good 5 months of serious training. I had slipped my disc, which was my L4, L5, and I had to do it with a slipped disc, so it was even more difficult.
And you're doing weight training and sports at this point?
I was cycling, I was running, I was doing weight training, functional training, kickboxing, everything.
Do you remember your protein intake at this point?
I think I was I was also on calorie deficit because I wanted to get very lean and very, very ripped. I wanted every muscle to show in my body. So I was in calorie deficit. So I think definitely protein intake was higher. Carbs were far less. But smaller meals, not big meals.
Psychologically difficult?
Very.
Okay.
But once you get there, I think the first month and a half, and then you're in a zone after that where it's just... you don't only want to see anything else.
And there's no cheat meal concept.
There is no question only. You're just thing. But hard on people around you because you get kind of edgy. You know, and I have one thing I'd really like to say. I've never done a steroid. I've never taken any kind of supplementation. I've never, taken any creatine or any of those kind of supplementation.
Never had a protein shake?
Protein shake I've had, okay, but that's just whey protein, okay, but that also I'll have one scoop of protein. But otherwise it's just with meals and no other kind of supplementation. So that's why that body looks the way it looks. Otherwise, my nipples would be as large as my chest.
The guys in your age group who did steroids back then, I think they're paying a price for it now.
I have no idea who's done it, but it's something which I would definitely tell people not to do.
You've seen it harming people?
Yes. And even you get this thing called roid rage, which is, you lose your temper and you lose your cool very easily. And it just becomes a loop in your head. And I've seen that happen to people. And it's screwed up a lot of people and a lot of relationships.
I feel like roid rage combined with the competitive nature of the media world is not a good combination.
Not a good combination. Anything. I think anything unnatural, you can get all of this naturally. It's just a little bit more time. Instead of doing it in 2 months, you will do it in 3.5 months. Okay? Yes, you won't get that huge. Okay? Maybe to get that huge, maybe 6 months. And that guy will do it in 2.5, 3 months. Okay? So maybe double the time. But what you will get will never go away. The minute you stop taking the artificial or the stimulants that you've put into your body, okay, it's all going to go. It's going to go. And it's going to go badly. Okay, so...
along with your mental health.
Mental health, तो ठीक है, it's going to go also, and so is your hair.
Finally.
Yes, Om Shanti Om. Mikey's here.
How do you look back at this? This has possibly become one of your most iconic...
I could say
the
that.
most iconic in your career?
I hope it is Joe Mascarenhas from Rock On who's the most iconic.
Oof.
But yes, I think commercially it would be Mike or maybe Prithvi from this thing, Rajniti. Because people really like the Rajniti character as well. And I really love playing him.
You absorbed a little bit of Bheem for that one?
Bheem.
Yudhishthir.
Bheem to tha hi mein. And Sunny Corleone from Godfather.
That's why it's close to your heart?
It's close to my heart because it was just a fantastic team to work with.
Fantastic
and
film.
One of my favorite directors, Prakash. I mean, he just was just fabulous for me. And he just saw me and he knew me. And I also was born in Jabalpur. And I've spent a lot of my summers and a few schooling days in Jabalpur as well. So the MP ka gunda was in my character.
I always wanted to sit in front of Arjun Rampal and say, Sitapur ka ticket dilwa dijiye. Man, you had some iconic roles. It's so cool you brought up Rock On. How do you look back at that film? Why did you say that you wish that people think that that's more iconic?
Because I won the national award for that as well. And I think it was the most real character that I played till date. He was a true artist. I think I was going through a lot that Joe was going through. Where you're waiting for that one chance and you're waiting for that one chance. Karna hai. And nothing is working. And that frustration that kind of builds up on you, I think all that pent up energy of mine that I'd had in those phases of my life, I could release it through Joe. So I really loved that character because he gave me that huge release of this frustration that I was holding.
Very unforgettable film.
Yeah.
I think it's one of those films that Gen Z has to yet discover again.
I hope they do.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful thing. A lot of message, and I think it was Abhishek Kapoor's best film.
Yeah.
Gattu's best film. It was a great launch for Farhan. We made some incredible friendships there, and the incredible music. So, but really layered, good characters. Yeah. And so young in our lives, we were playing it, and we thought we were old at that time.
How old were you guys?
I think I was 35 or something. 34, 35.
There was a bit of a self-image of, man, it's so late now.
Yeah. Also feeling aa jati hai. But it's never too late.
Yeah. I think it takes time for one to realize that, though.
Yeah, you should not let it seep in only at any point in time.
Hey, if you enjoyed today's clip, make sure you check out all the other clips we've uploaded on this channel. You'll find a clip related to almost every single topic as long as you're willing to search for it.